What is up, YouTube? Yes, I know I've got the Golden Gate Bridge in the background instead of the usual New York skyline. I'm not actually in San Francisco. This is the magic of computers. But still in all, uh, there's a reason why I'm actually showing you the Golden Gate Bridge as opposed to New York, because the fact of the matter is that today I want to tell you all about making video sales letters. And video sales letters is all about getting people to feel like they're in another world, basically, a world where something becomes possible. And so even though I am not in San Francisco, it is possible for me to look like I'm in San Francisco. And that's what I'm going to tell you all about coming up in my review of VSLMaker. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. And that's because I wear fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. And regular viewers of the channel know that I am one of the very few people who can porno successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, you know the drill. Go ahead and feel free to skip ahead. My jokes, well, they're pretty darn stale. I gotta admit that. I gotta start coming up with some new lines. Maybe somebody can leave a comment for me with some suggested new lines, you know. But I really do like Neil Caffrey. I love White College, one of my favorite shows. So give me some new line ideas, folks. Anyway, seriously, if you are new, and if you're not new, go ahead and skip ahead, like I said. But if you are new, what I do here is two things: review software and info products in the make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously. We both need new lines, okay? I'll get new lines, you get new lines too. Folks, maybe you could suggest new lines for Bart? Huh? Maybe, possibly, Anyway, but seriously, the way these work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a fellow New Yorker. She hasn't abandoned us for San Francisco, although actually I think that the woman who plays Liz might have abandoned us for California. I think she lives in California, but I'm still here in New York. We're actually looking to buy a house here in New York soon. Yeah, and excited to be here in New York. Even though with all the problems that are going on in the world right now, New York is still a great place. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video. Comment down below, because I really do like to read those comments, and let's get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for the VSLMaker software. It's from Andrew Darius with Explaindio. Now, Explaindio is an interesting piece of software on its own. Basically, Explaindio is a piece of software that was designed to allow you to create whiteboard animation videos. VSLMaker is a bit different. It's basically, and by the way, I'm going to show you the software in a second. I wasn't super impressed with the software itself, but there's a particular reason why I thought that this thing was awesome and why I definitely wanted to tell you about it. But I first want to tell you about my bonuses, because I always have the best bonuses, and this one is really, really insane. So first of all, this software is designed to allow you to make video sales letters. Okay, now here's the thing with making video sales letters, though. Making them doesn't do you any good if you can't sell them. So I'm going to be giving you not just access to my local video jackpots, my flagship product is my very first course. You're not just getting access to local video jackpot, which in and of itself is a very, very, very valuable course. It currently goes, I think, for $67. Okay, so you're going to get that for free, but I've given it out for free to a lot of people already. But here's the catch. Very few people have ever gotten PLR to local video jackpot, and that's what you're going to get with local video with this package. You're going to get PLR to local video jackpot. You're not just getting PLR to local video jackpot. I am also going to give you, in addition to the PLR to local video jackpot, and by the way, local video jackpot is still for sale. So, you know, and you're getting it for free. You're going to get PLR. It means you can sell it. You can compete with me directly and sell local video jackpot. But it's not just that. You're also going to get on top of the 10 explainer videos that come with it, I've got, I think, another dozen or so explainer videos that I've created that you're going to get on top of those that you're going to get with them. Now, these are ready-made explainer videos. All you do is customize them for a customer and sell them. I've sold them easily for $200 or $300, $400 a pop. I still make these kind of videos today. I still make money off of it, even though my primary business is now doing affiliate marketing. I still make videos all the time. I still make money off of them. Okay, now, in addition to all that stuff, though, on top of getting PLR to local video jackpot and also getting another, I think it's a dozen, it's either 10 or 12 additional explainer videos that you're going to be getting. In addition to those things, I'm also going to be giving you a brand new video that I created called Making Killer Video Sales Letters. So this is a new video that I created more recently where I teach you all about video sales letters, because really the explainer videos are not really video sales letters. They're made more for general, like for, you know, the website where it says, like website of a dentist, for example, saying, are you looking for painless dentistry? Well, we are the premier dentists in the area. And a video sales letter is a bit different. And so I'm going to show you my course on how to make video sales letters. You're going to get that as well. Pick up any upgrade to VSLMaker. And in addition to everything else I'm giving you in the main package, pick up any upgrade to VSLMaker. And I'm going to give you over 2,000 video clips that you can import and use for your video sales letters. Okay, I'll show you in Local Video Jackpot how to do that. Basically, that was an upgrade to Local Video Jackpot. You're going to get it for free. Plus, I'll also give you PLR to my Killer VSL video. So you're going to be able to sell that video as well as a part of the package. And this thing made a lot of money for me. It really did very, very well. You're going to be able to sell it and make a lot of money off of it. People really loved my course. I really put a lot of effort into it, and yeah, people liked it. Now, I want to show you the software. There's actually two parts to the software. The first part basically allows you to create the equivalent of a PowerPoint presentation. So that's a downloadable software. You can see it right here. Okay, basically you're going to add in, you know, different sections of it. So for example, this is a video that we created that I'm starting to create here, and you can see you can add in text, you can add in video, whatever you want. Okay, and then basically you can go ahead and have the software save it for you. You can also add in audio. And by the way, with Local Video Jackpot, you do get access to my Rolodex, where I show you what places to get free music that you can use for your videos. You can get free videos to use for videos. And of course, pick up any upgrade. You also get the 2,000 plus videos that are an upgrade. And you get PLR to my video on killer VSLs. Anyway, so you're going to get all of that. Now, this software is nice, but basically it does the same thing that PowerPoint does. My cat is also here to tell you the same thing. He's also saying, you know what, Daddy, it's a nice software, but it does the same thing as PowerPoint. So why am I promoting something that you could get from PowerPoint? Well, it's a nice software, but what really, really impressed me, if my cat will let me show it to you, he's busy looking for attention, is this. So this is, well, this is the sales page for the software, but let me show you this. This I found super cool. So they have a script maker available. Sorry, my cat was getting annoyed with me for telling you about it. They have a script maker available. So you can see here, you can do like 12-step VSL framework, okay? And if you click on step 1, it's going to give you different options. And you basically pick out one of these things. Tired of setting New York, just select this actually. We can add it to our thing. Okay, and you can actually go ahead and it'll add in whatever it is that you want, or we can take a look at it. You can see it like this. And basically, are you tired of launching new products that never seem to produce the volume of sales you're looking for? Every product I've launched the last year has been a massive success, and I'm about to tell you my secret, okay? And you can actually add these things into your video, to your script, and basically it's a ready-made script production that you can create scripts that you can just automatically pick whatever scripts you like, whatever elements of the scripts you like, and it's actually going to go step by step by step. You can see here, each step has its own set of materials that you can add in. And then they're going to recommend a few people on Fiverr who can do the voiceovers for you. I have my own recommendation for somebody on Fiverr who can do the voiceovers for you. I think it's actually in local video Jackpot that I share that. But if not, I'll put it into the bonus document as well. I have somebody who is really good and very inexpensive on Fiverr that I've been using for my when I have to do female voiceovers. For male voiceovers, I actually do them myself now. I've gotten to the point where I know how to do it, so I don't really need to worry about it. But the whole idea basically is that you are able to create a script automatically. And this is something that I've never seen before, where it's basically got ready-made scripts for you. And you got multiple options here as well. So webinars and upsell, social video ad, explainer videos. Okay, you've got everything ready for you. And all you do is basically fill in the blanks. So, you know, achieve the wildest dream. So you can put in whatever you want. You can achieve your goal of owning a Lamborghini. Okay, you can achieve your goal of visiting San Francisco and seeing the Golden Gate Bridge. You know, whatever it is that you want to achieve, you can do that. So you can see that you can actually just take the ready-made scripts and paste them in, and you're done. Okay, it's super, super easy. And this really, really impressed me. Okay, because like I said, you know, the software itself, this thing is nice. It lets you basically create a video sales letter. You can add music to it. You can do that with other software as well. But what I have never seen before is the ability to create your own script automatically. Basically just, you know, fill in the blank scripts. That's really, really cool. And to me, that was really the killer feature of the VSLMaker. You can see here, this is the dashboard. If you pick up, and there's an upgrade available where they're actually going to have ready-made videos for you to edit. The basic one, you just create your own videos. But again, you're also going to get my own local video Jackpot with, I think it's a dozen additional explainers on top of the 10 that are included with the package. And you do get PLR to that as well. So that's all going to be included for you. So let's go ahead and see if I am going to go ahead and give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, that was pretty obvious, right? Even though you can see my illusion is fading a little bit over there in the corner. But yeah, seriously, you rock. This is really cool. Okay, this is really, really a very, very impressive piece of software for a very, very inexpensive price. If you want to make money, basically sell one VSL, and in local video Jackpot, I'm going to show you how to do it, and you could double, triple, quadruple your money with one sale. Okay, and you can make multiple sales with this thing. It's available for lifetime. And really, really cool software. So definitely grab this one. This one is good. You're going to love this.